Hello folks, it's good to see you again today. It's a beautiful day down here in South Alabama. Just wanted to bring you up to speed on a ramble that I took very recently to North Monroe County, Alabama, to a church called Indian Springs Baptist Church in North Monroe County, Alabama. A beautiful old church, very secluded. It's right off of Highway 21, about a mile from Highway 21, just not too far from the Monroe County, Wilcox County line. I had the privilege to shoot this video for you, and I hope you enjoy. If you would, please be so kind as to hit that subscribe button, share, and if you would comment on this video if you know anything pertinent to it, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.